When I fall in love, all the sparks will fly, lighting up the sky like the fireworks on the 4th of July. The city will ignite magic, wonder, thunder, striking through my heart. When I fall in love, all the sparks will fly, looking in his eyes.
Ang susuotin ko lang today dahil since malamig ay white pants and eto na pampatong. Pero kita nyo yung room namin. Sobrang ganda talaga. As in, sobrang laki niya. And kahapon, sobrang pagod ako after namin kumain sa mall. Natulog na ako agad, nag-shower. And to be honest, nagising ako with headache. Talagang masakit yung ulo ko. Pero tara na, tourist tayo for today. Hindi natin sasayang itong pera natin. Kahit sobrang sakit ng ulo ko, larga tayo. So, let's go. So, ayan na yung outfit natin. Yung panloob, black. Finally, lalayas na kami.
Please turn right after 300 meters onto Leeds of the Dam.
Wow.
There is no sign.
Yeah, no sign. Yeah, just take note. You didn't tell me. That's why you bought the lock. You want to put it here with our name. Sure?
Yeah. Doesn't matter. From there you need to do it.
Oh, it's so far.
It's very close like this.
I'm a little too much, don't really know why. I can be a lot, but you don't seem to mind. Baby, you're so different, 'cause others wouldn't even try. Nobody ever took the time. I get way too in my head about everything I do.
Moshi moshi. Moshi. Moshi moshi. Where did I get? Oh. 4,000 steps later. Okay. Yeah. Should be like that. It's cheap, huh? 18?
Yeah.
21, so not bad. Yeah, vegetarian. Dumplings. Stew. Why?
Then you don't do that place.
What
Can you please
again?
have 2 latte with ice and bottle of water still cold. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, cheers. Cheers. I cannot even see. Okay. Have to do it with love. But Ow.
That's it.
What is it?
Thank you.
Where? Hmm?
Krakow, it's a different city in the world. It's gonna be the last one on our visit. That is,
Yeah, here. Oh.
and then I'll make a photo.
Yeah, I love it here.
But not that much green as Thailand.
Yeah.
It's a middle green.
Yeah, but here, with this kind of weather, people are just relaxing like this. You cannot do this in Thailand. You lie down there,
Why you can, but it's just different timing.
you're gonna be fried
No,
because
why
it's
in
hot.
January, February it's like this.
Oh no, no, Sasha.
What no?
There is no like that there.
It is.
It's never
I said
cold.
go there in the grass.
Yeah. Oh, see, we can fly this, and then you didn't want. I cannot go up because it will go around. I hope it's not gonna hit anyone.